I think this is legendary. I have been toasting panko in butter till it smells all nutty, and then I pour in a mix of eggs.
All right, that looks insanely good, so I'm going to make that. And then I'm also gonna saute some vegetables on this side too. I got my panko here, got eggs and cheese. I don't have milk, but I think that's okay. First thing I wanna do is actually get these veggies going, because I think that'll take longer. I'm gonna crush up some garlic, slice with some onion, tomato, spinach. I'm just gonna cut these in half. Oh, you know what? I saw a TikTok hack. Check this out. Top it and cut like this. Haha, sliced. Some chunks of onion, crush up some garlic. Cool, let's turn this pan on. Oh, you know what? I'm not gonna use this pan because this is carbon steel. We have a seasoning on this, and the acidity from the, what is it? The acidity from the tomatoes will take off the seasoning. We'll use this pan. Olive oil to the pan, the garlic in, onions too, scallion butts. We'll get the tomatoes in also. A little salt and pepper to these. And get some butter on that too. Now for the panko, decent amount of butter in this. Let's get some panko out. Now mix in the butter and the panko. And eggs. Get some cheese in here. And then some onion powder. Like, these veggies are looking good. We'll put some spinach on top. Now to the panko, gonna pour in the eggs. Just gonna mix it around. Stir it off the heat. It smells so good. I'm gonna add in the scallion tops. Let's get these eggs on the plate. Veg. What a beauty. And that's a good breakfast. All right, let's taste. Let's taste these panko eggs with like 2 tablespoons of butter. Oh wow, that's great. That's really good. Oh yeah, I'm gonna kill this so fast. That's fun. Try some veggies. Hot. That's so hot. That was good though. Okay, I'm going to enjoy this breakfast. Goodbye.